To Recycled and Saved. We got a 2016 Honda CRF250L. Every possible aftermarket thing available for this bike is on it. I've got the stock plastics, the stock wheels, the stock exhaust, and then in a box over there the shifter, the seat cover, and all that kind of stuff. It has an EJK engine modulation kit that you can bolt on and unbolt. It has the FMF Powerbomb exhaust, Warp 9 wheels. It's got this extender here with the bigger rotor for the front. All the gadgety stuff that you might consider looking at for this bike, we've got it with this one. Wisconsin clean one owner bike, 2016, and it has, drum roll, 7634 miles, and it's 8 degrees, so I'm not going to start it right now. We did get it going, ran through the gears just once. Everything works great. This bike has almost no miles, no wear. Just everything on it is great. I'd keep it together if it wasn't 8 degrees here in Wisconsin today. Make sure you look down below if you're looking to get any parts off this or other bikes or ATVs. And subscribe if you want to see what we're taking apart next. Thanks for watching.